Hello everybody and welcome back. Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get true shuffle on Spotify. If you don't know, Spotify doesn't actually shuffle your playlist whenever you hit the shuffle button. It uses an algorithm to try and reduce songs that are in the same album or by the same artist by playing one after another so that you don't get bored. It also tries to play songs that you like more first, but a lot of people don't like that because a lot of your older songs or songs you haven't heard in a while basically just get pushed into like the deep end is what I would say. For this reason, I'm going to be showing a website that I found that helps you completely randomize a playlist of yours. Okay, what you're going to want to do is go to the website that I have in the description, or you can see it up here. Currently I'm signed in, but I'll open a private tab to show you what this looks like normally when you go to it. So you're going to want to authenticate through Spotify. It's kind of like logging in through Spotify. It's allowing this website to make changes to your playlist and things like that. If you're afraid for some reason that this is going to like hack your Spotify or something, then honestly, you're probably better off using like YouTube Music or something. Maybe this isn't for you. This website isn't going to steal your playlists or steal your account or whatever the heck. Although I will give a warning, if you do randomize one of your playlists using this website, you can't undo it. It even says in this. So once it's randomized, you can't go back to the way it was. For example, in some of my playlists, like let me just go to my rap playlist, you can see a lot of the songs I like to categorize by the album. So we have the Melodic Blue album right here, the Sound of Bad Habit right here, we have Afterlife right here all lined up. You can see basically I just like to order a lot of them by album. And if I were to randomize this playlist itself, it would mess up the entirety of the order that I have and I can't go back. So what I recommend you do, you're going to want to go ahead and create a new playlist and add all the songs that you want to randomize into that playlist. This is super easy to do, and I'm actually going to show you how to do it on the browser version just to show that you don't actually need to download any sort of app at all. If you don't own a computer, you can literally just log in on a browser and do it. So go ahead and create a playlist. You can name it whatever, I don't care. I'm just gonna name this test. So if you're on the actual Spotify app, all you have to do is hold Control and press A. This will select all the songs in your playlist you can see as I scroll down. And then all you wanna do is right click on one of them, hit add to playlist and go to test. If you're on like a borrowed computer and all you did was log in through the browser, what you want to do is you want to click on the first song, then you're going to want to scroll down. You can't just skip to the bottom using the scroll wheel like you can on the actual app, because for some reason sometimes it might skip songs when you do this. But anyways, once you get to the bottom, hold the shift key and then click. All you want to do after doing that is right click, add to playlist, and then add to the one that you did. You can see this playlist has 765 songs and the new test playlist has 765 songs. I should also mention, as you can see, these are some downloaded songs that I have. These will work as well, your downloaded songs that you have added through on the desktop app. Anyways, once you have all the songs that you want in your new playlist, what you want to do is go to the randomizer. I'm going to refresh. Select the or like highlight over the one that you want and just go to shuffle. If you hover over it for a bit, it'll actually tell you how long it takes to complete. It also says do not mess with the playlist while this is happening. So don't go to the playlist and start moving things around. You can see it's already working. It's already moving stuff. Oh, I should also mention you need to keep this web page open while it's doing this. All right, and it is done. You can see it only took 2 minutes 30 seconds, even though it said it was going to be 6 minutes. So a lot of the times the estimated time is a bit wrong. And now if we go to that playlist, you can see it is all totally randomized. In some cases, like you can see, I scroll down to the bottom, these ones haven't updated yet. All you want to do, you can just refresh it by, if you're on desktop, just closing the app and reopening, or if you're on the browser, you can just refresh the page. And as you can see now, when we go to the bottom, all of these are changed. So it didn't update yet for me. Now what you want to do is just go ahead and click play on the first song and then turn off the shuffle feature. Because you got to remember, this playlist is already shuffled. So play it from start to finish, unshuffled. The only bad thing about doing it this way is if you, for some reason, let's say you're halfway through the playlist, you've been listening all day, you're halfway through, and then you go and you switch to some other playlist and you come back and you don't know where you left off. That's kind of the only bad thing. So if you do switch to another playlist, try to remember where you were in your other randomized playlist so you don't have to go through all the way again. But anyways, that's going to be the end of this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.